Many apps, like Photos or your browser, support drag and drop functionality. A quick way to import an image from those apps is to tap, hold, and drag the image, and use another finger to navigate to concepts, and release to drop the image onto the canvas. This works when searching images from Google, finding inspiration from Unsplash, or even while reading an article in the browser. If you need more than a few, and your platform and other apps support it, you can also select multiple images and drop them into concepts simultaneously. It may be easier to view the apps in split screen if you're having trouble with the tricky finger movements. If you drag the image into the gallery instead of the canvas, the app creates a new drawing with an artboard containing your image. With PDFs, it creates a new drawing and displays the pages on the side to be imported. PDFs can be dragged directly onto the canvas as well. In case you're dropping in a concepts file, it'll be placed in your current gallery location.